Have you ever noticed how "we are not special" started as humility, but somehow became a rule that tells the entire universe what it is allowed to look like? In the energy filament theory, you can reject a cosmic center, stay fully humble, and still have a finite universe with a real boundary. Slow large-scale structure, and extreme regions like black holes and the silent cavity. The original message was healthy. Earth is not the center of the solar system. The solar system is not the center of the Milky Way. The Milky Way is not a VIP badge in a cosmic stadium. That mindset protects science from ego, because it stops us from confusing our address with a law of nature. But then the slogan quietly upgrades itself. It stops meaning "our spot isn't privileged," and starts meaning "no spot can ever be privileged." So from any point the universe must look the same on the largest scales. That upgrade becomes the cosmological principle. And once it sits inside the equations, it does more than guide taste. It starts vetoing possibilities. Talk about an edge, and people react as if you just smuggled in a center. Talk about a slow gradient, and it sounds forbidden. Not because a telescope ruled it out, but because a slogan did. Here's the catch: observations only tell a local story, inside our observable patch. When you average over huge distances, the sky looks statistically similar in many directions, and galaxy counts look broadly uniform. That's we don't look special inside what we can see. To jump from that to the entire universe is identical everywhere, forever, with no global features and no boundaries, is an extra step. And it's a choice. It's like walking into a stadium, noticing that no seat has a gold crown, and concluding the building must have no walls. A no VIP seats claim is about status. A no walls claim is about architecture. They are not the same. Symmetry can be a great guess, but a great guess is not a measurement. You can picture the danger with a simple sampling problem. If you stand in one neighborhood and measure the wind, you might honestly find the breeze is mild and similar in every direction. That supports this area is not unusually windy. It does not force there are no hurricanes anywhere on Earth. It does not force there are no coastlines. Local normality can coexist with global edges and extremes. The universe can be mostly similar on large scales where we live, and still have a boundary far away, or a slow changing background that we have not mapped yet. And there's an even sharper twist that makes "we are not special" risky. When it goes global, we are not a random sample of locations. Observers only appear where conditions allow stable atoms, long-lived stars, chemistry, and time to run. That is selection. Fish don't publish oceanography papers from deserts. Not because deserts don't exist, but because fish can't live there. In the same way, if vast regions of the universe are hostile to stable structures, nobody will be inside those regions calmly declaring them typical. So even if our neighborhood looks non-special compared to nearby neighborhoods within the same habitable band, our mere existence already implies we are seeing a filtered slice of what is possible. That means a slogan about humility should not be used as a sledgehammer to smash every discussion of finiteness, boundaries, or large-scale structures. Humility is about not crowning ourselves as the center. It is not a license to declare infinity, or to declare that the universe must have no global features because symmetry feels nicer. In this picture, you can keep the humility and draw a richer map, a finite energy sea. A real physical boundary that behaves like a transition zone rather than a mirror wall, and different weather regimes of the underlying media, including over-tight, violent zones near black holes and ultra-loose, structure-shedding zones like the silent cavity. The real question is not philosophical at all. If the universe has an edge and a slow-tension landscape, what fingerprints should appear in light, in background radiation, and in the way structure grows? Without making us a privileged location in any childish sense? Tap follow, share it on New Physics, Clear Universe.